Go.
Chef Fini here. I cook with wine, okay? I'm gonna do your special tonight. We are going to do a trotta con gamberi and prosciutto. So this is basically wild cut trout that we're going to face down first. We're gonna cook that. So we're gonna add the shrimp. Then we're gonna do some rigatoni, fresh rigatoni pasta. Then we're going to top it with a sauce of lemon, butter, cream, white wine sauce. The secret is, don't do this at home. Come here. That's your secret. All right. Not very much. It's pretty much cooked. Now we're going to do the shrimp here. We're going to have to cook the shrimp. Now, when it gets really hot, we're going to make flambe. Flambe is my choice of wine. Now, I am going to add my ingredients. Always garlic. Never forget. Hello. This one doesn't like it. I'm going to do some parsley, some garlic, some pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and now we're going to make a sauce, right? That sauce is ready? Not so. Not so. We're going to get some cream into the sauce. This is made with heavy whipping cream. It's heavy whipping cream. And that does it. Now we set up plates. We're going to get the rigatoni. And here, we're going to wrap these babies. Right now, we're going to wrap these babies because they're prosciutto wrap. You got to do what you got to do best. Grab that. Put that all over. That is done. A little bit more wine. We're going to wrap these babies, and we're going to have one. We're going to have two, and this is 4 years aged prosciutto. Parma, prosciutto de Parma. 3. We got the 3. We're going to make it a little nicer with a little parsley and a lemon. 1 lemon. We put that right there, and we're going to say, come see me, buon appetito.
Perfect.